Hi, my name is Khusirai Tripura and I am the president of Bangladesh Tripura Kalyan Sangshad, regional branch Bandharban. And let me speak in English since we speak in diverse co-group to avoid confusion in understanding. This video message is particularly for our Maharaja, His Excellency Pradyot Manikya Debbarma, and Honorable Chairman of Tripura Royal Castle. Honorable Maharaja, please note our sincere gratitude for your generosity. And from this contribution, we undoubtedly understood that you love us and given a strong evidence to the motto you strictly stand by, Poila Jati Ulo Parti. We are proud to have you as a leader and selfless leader, and obviously every single Tripuras are with you, that I trust from my heart. As mentioned before, we are more than 30,000 Tripuras living in Bandharban, which fall in the southern part of Bangladesh, and we're living in remote, isolated and scattered in places with almost no means of mechanical transportation. 99% of the people depend on primitive agriculture system, what we call hook or jung cultivation. A very few families in recent past settled in Bandharban district town after completing their education. I belong to that category as well, and having been one of the first among my village to make use of my education while my parents are still living in a deep inside in a village surrounded by dense forest. However, I just mentioned this just for a subtle glimpse of our general social settings. I would like to render my sincere gratitude again for your love and donation, and it's inspired us very high and to stand beside of the people who are suffering out of this COVID-19. And you have reached out of the hearts of each Triprasas in Bandharban district. And last but not least, I also would like to thank Mr. David Mura Singh and other friends in Tripura state and Khorang Biol Tripura in Bangladesh for giving me quick and convenient connection with Bubagra during these times of hardship out of COVID-19 to state the situation of our communities. Long live Bubagra, and we love you very much. And if you look at my background, I have a photograph of you that I have received as a gift from the friends of some group of people when I visited to Agartala in 2007. Thank you, Bubagra.